Conner Sport Court is the world's leading supplier of sports surfaces. We do every type of indoor and outdoor sports surface. In 2004, Riverside bought Sport Court. About 6 months to a year later, they bought Conner and put the two together into Conner Sport Court International. Shortly after that, Riverside began looking at how to evaluate the various companies they owned from a sustainability standpoint. They brought in experts to do a baseline assessment of our sustainability. After going through this baseline assessment, we were surprised how well we were doing from a sustainability and green standpoint. We're very proud that Conner was the first MFMA member to use FSC lumber in its products. FSC lumber comes from managed forests, and so more hardwood is being generated and being grown each year than being harvested. More than 35 years ago, they invested in that equipment you can see over my shoulder, which collects the sawdust from the mill and uses it to heat the boilers, which then heats all of the buildings here, as well as the drying kilns, which are used for the lumber. In addition to that amount, we have excess. Over 10,000 tons a year of excess sawdust. We sell that, ship it away in those tractor-trailer trucks, make a profit on it, while it's used to make wood pellets and various applications, like particle board and so forth, for good use rather than going into a landfill. One of our newest products incorporates high performance as well as green. In fact, we call it Green Play. It involves product that we make in Salt Lake City under Sport Court and Conner. It's a subfloor for our maple flooring from Conner. The modules are 100% recycled polypropylene, and they're attached to strips of plywood. That plywood replaces 4x8 sheets that are normally used in subflooring. As a result, it saves a tremendous amount of resources and utilizes recycled material. You're looking at what used to be Mount Regrind. No, it's not the snowcap, the ones back there. It's the empty lot right behind me. It used to be piled high with scrap tiles. Huge amounts that even blocked the view of the snowcap mountain. As a result of the measures we've implemented here with the lean manufacturing and improved process controls, we're no longer generating that type of scrap. We're down usually in the 1% range. The tile that used to be in Mount Regrind has been reground. We've used it in a number of different tiles. We've used it in Green Play, the subfloor for Conner. We use it in our dance floor and other non-performance type products. In addition, we sold over 50 tractor-trailer truckloads of the material that went into other various purposes. We have now reduced through collective recycling and various other measures, little bits and pieces that all added up. We are now below 1% of our waste goes into a landfill. By every measure that's used, that is classified as zero waste. We found that in Conner Sport Court, incorporating sustainability into our very fabric of how we do business has helped our bottom line dramatically.